Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain if you are getting this error message, right, can't log in into your PS5. Already I have connected to my console that you are seeing in this TV. So the same user ID I have connected. So if I'm trying to connect remote play, right, it is not connecting. I'm just giving a try again. It should connect actually, it's not connecting. The portal is not connecting. Okay, fine. Why it is not connecting? Do you know the answer? It's very simple. Because we need to set this PS5 console log in automatically. Then only you will be able to connect this as soon as it is connected. Example, what you need to do is you need to enable this on your PS5 console. So this user I am trying to log in. So go to settings. Under settings, right, come to user and accounts, and here come to login settings and enable this login into PS5 automatically. We need to enable it, okay, just enable it. By default it's turned off, so I'm going to, so just enabled it. So going back, so now I'm going to restart it. Restart. Because I am just verifying, when I restart, right, automatically it should go to the home screen of my particular user. See, now it is automatically logged in. Now I'm going to try to connect on this PlayStation portal. I think it's went to sleep mode. Okay, press this PS button to unlock it, and here I'm going to connect. So I need to tap this X button. This time automatically it should connect. See, yes, it's connected. So that was the issue. I was not able to connect it. Okay. So just you need to enable this under settings. Go to settings. Here go to user and accounts, and here choose login settings. Enable this login into PS5 automatically. So that's it, friends. Hope definitely this video will be very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in my forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.